TGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Ariba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Baao Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, Dolcas Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear, Tiger's Cafe, and Lemon Residences.
New month, new season. This is for the Volleyball League here in Bicol Region 10. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang bagong tournament na aabangan not just only by the Bicolano fans but as well as all the Filipino fans all over the Philippines and all over the world. Again, new set of players and new set of teams. They will shine on the stage today sa laro ngayong araw.
And of course, makakasama niyo po ang inyong mga commentators this season of Open Men's Volleyball League ng OBL. I am Christina Alcanza Reyes and with me is Kelly Francisco. Nasabi na nga po ni Kelly kanina, mga bagong kupunan po ang ating matutunghayan ngayong araw na ito. Of course, this is the first day of our Oragon Volleyball League. Ang unang magtatapatan po, Ariba Iriga versus BMC Health Defenders. Nako, nakaka-excite po ang ating mapapanood ngayong umaga.
And aside from that, of course, it's very exciting because, again, new set of teams and new set of players ang mapapanood nyo live now at Oragon Sports TV and GNN TV 48 Naga Facebook page and digital TV channel. Siyempre, kakaiba to. Iba to sa mata ng tao ngayon considering that dati napapanood natin na maraming schools usually ang nagpa-participate on this kind of volleyball tournament. However, ngayon, iba ang magiging laro, iba ang magiging ganap, at iba ang magiging sistema ng laro ngayon dito sa Oragon Volleyball Men's Open Tournament.
Kaya hindi na po natin patatagalin ang ating laro ngayong araw na to dahil sa side po ng ating court side, kasama natin nagbabalik Mary Bliss Eliza Belen. Sinong kasama mo ngayon?
Diyos, mabalas din ang Kelly at magandang araw po sa lahat na nakasubaybay sa atin ngayon dito sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon. Another year, another season, and I'm sure another powerful and exciting matchups na naman ang matutunghayan natin sa pagbubukas ng OBL Volleyball League. At ngayong araw po, nandito ako sa side ng Ariba Iriga, reporting exclusively. Kasama po natin ang head coach ng Ariba Iriga, Mr. Arnel Dio. Mr. Arnel Dio, magandang umaga po. Kumusta po kayo?
Yes, mabuti naman po. Good morning po sa lahat ng nanonood ng Oragon Volleyballs. Supposed to be opening ngayon. First game ang Iriga. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much, sir. Gusto po malaman ng iilan nating mga kaibigan ngayon. Ano po ba ang pangunahing focus ng Ariba Iriga ngayong araw?
Supposed to be, bago kami nag-start, ano ko sa kanila kung ano yung inisayo namin. Doon lang kami po-focus. Huwag na muna kung sa ano-anong mga ibang gagawain. Basta yung inisayo lang namin sa court, during time na nagte-training kami, doon lang po kami nakapokus ngayon.
Sir, knowing Iriga, you gave us always the best of the best volleyball team. Ngayon, sir, gusto po naming malaman, ano po ba ang naihanda niyong sekreto o kaya strategy para masubaybayan namin ngayong araw?
Yung ano lang, strategy lang namin. And the first time, yung counting adjustment sa set play. Tapos yung mga floor defense namin, doon po kami nakapokus.
Thank you so much, Coach. Now, Coach, you have the chance. Shout out mo naman lahat ng sumusuporta, lahat ng mga fans ng Iriga, lahat ng umaariba sa Iriga. Shout out mo naman, sir. Go ahead.
Okay, first of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa aming mayor, namuting mayor na hindi pinababayaan yung volleyball, mga councilor, and sa lahat po ng Irigeños na nanonood ngayon ng live. Binabati ko po kayo lahat. And thank you sa suporta ninyo sa Ariba Iriga Volleyball Team.
With that, ladies and gentlemen, mga kaibigang nakasuporta sa atin ngayon, ready na umariba ang Ariba Iriga. Maraming salamat, Mr. Arnel Bio. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mary Bless Eliza Balan ang maghahatid sa inyo ng siksikliklik, walang labis, walang kulang na mga balita sa loob at labas ng hardcourt. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Kelly.
Maraming salamat, please, on that update. Of course, nakita nga natin kanina yung head coach ng Ariba Iriga na talagang pinaghandaan nila dito yung adjustment nila when it comes to plays, and syempre new court, and again, it's a new set of tournament, kaya naman talagang merong mga adjustments na ginawa dito yung Ariba Iriga, and makikita natin yan mamaya lamang sa laro nito.
And of course, speaking of bagong court yung paglalaroan natin, live na live po tayo dito sa Holy Rosary Minor Seminary. Kaya sa mga gusto pong manood ng live, punta lamang po kayo dito para makita nyo po ang laban ng mga kupunan ngayon. And of course, dito sa ating Ariba Iriga, may mga players na tayong nakita dito before sa Bukal. We have Silva, we also have Gunowon na naging head coach po ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Kaya naman kaabang-abang po ang magiging laro natin ngayong hapon or umaga pa lang po. Kaya naman talaga nga andito na lahat ng teams. And to hear an update on the side of the BMC Health Defenders, babalikan po natin mamaya si KZ. But of course, for now, lahat po ng sumusubaybay sa amin, shout out lang po kayo dyan. Comment down below dahil babasahin po natin yan maya-maya.
And also, kakaiba talaga yung magiging sistema ngayon, yung magiging laro, dahil again, dito sa Oragon Sports TV nasanay tayo na mostly collegiate conference, pero dito abangan niyo po sa aming mga manonood dyan at suportahan niyo po ang laro ng iba't ibang teams. Meron po dito galing sa colleges, meron galing sa iba't ibang businesses, and syempre maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa tournament na meron po kami ngayong araw.
And of course, maya-maya lamang po magsisimula na ang ating laban na ito, Ariba Iriga versus BMC Health Defenders. Pero papakinggan muna natin kung sino ang kasama dyan ni Casey and Chokya.
Syempre, balikan natin mamaya si Casey, Tin, at ngayon naman, Tin, pag-usapan natin ngayon yung iba't ibang muka na nakikita natin. Kasi actually meron mga naglalaro sa collegiate na usually na-encounter na natin. Pero ngayon, may kita mo, first time natin makita tong player na to, and we are very excited na ipakita nila yung galing at husay nila sa loob ng court. At syempre, live tayo ngayon dito sa Minor Seminary. Dito lamang po yan sa Naga City. At palagi supportahan nyo lang po ang aming live stream dahil mamaya-maya lamang mapapanood natin ang laban ng Ariba Iriga versus the BMC Health Defenders.
At kung titingnan natin sa physical feature ng ating BMC Health Defenders, talagang maganda yung magiging laban na ibibigay nila dito. Kaya naman talaga mga bagong teams, bagong aabangan ng ating manonood dito sa Oragon Sports TV. Kaya naman talaga sa ating mga fans, maraming salamat po dahil patuloy po ang pagsuporta nyo sa Oragon Basketball League, Oragon Volleyball League, and of course sa Oragon Sports TV na naghahatid po sa inyo ng mga bago at talagang malalaking liga dito sa Bicolandia. Kaya naman po, in just a few minutes, we will start the first game of Oragon Volleyball League. It is Ariba Iriga versus BMC Health Defenders. Maya-maya lamang po yan.
Speaking of BMC Health Defenders, makakasama natin sa sidelines ang ating course reporter na si Casey Antioquia. Casey, take it away.
Ayan, habang iniintay pa natin yung report ni Casey on the side of BMC Health Defenders, pasalamatan lang din po natin lahat ng ating mga sponsors na talaga namang naging katuwang ng OBL para mapanood po nating lahat itong ating liga ngayon umagang ito. And of course, 8 po yung team na ating aabangan po ngayon araw to. Lahat po silang maglalaro, lahat po natin sila makikilala.
Again, ngayon naman pakinggan natin sa side ng BMC Health Defenders ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey Antioquia. Casey, take it away.
Just like a powerful serve that sets the tone of the game, the court is now ready for a powerful rally. Marhay na daw Oragans! The OBL proudly brings you the Oragon Volleyball League Season 1 Open Men's Volleyball. This is your courtside correspondent, Casey Antioquia, bringing you the heat and intensity straight from the BMC Health Defenders sideline. And here with me today is Coach Lindsay of BMC Health Defenders para malaman kung paano sila nag-prepare for this game. So Coach, good morning po. So our viewers would like to know kung paano nabuo ang BMC Health Defenders at kung sino-sino ang players na dapat nilang abangan.
Hi, good morning everyone. Actually, nabuo yung team namin, the BMC Health Defenders. So basically, lahat kami is working at Bicol Medical Center. Some of us are nurses, some of us are lab technicians, some of us are medical nursing attendants. And yung aabangan yung players, lahat naman sila actually yes, naabangan nyo kasi lahat sila magagaling.
Ayan, so kanina nga ay nabanggit sa akin ni Coach yung about sa Hospital Week na ginanap sa Sorsogon. So Coach, can you tell us more about it?
Okay, the recently concluded Hospital Week, which was held last August 3 to 9 in Sorsogon City. It is a battle between the hospitals within the Bicol region. So kami yung nag-overall champion.
So congratulations po doon, Coach. So now lastly, you can invite and shout out your supporters na nanonood dito sa ating live stream.
Hi BMC community family, I am inviting you to please support and watch our BMC Health Defenders here in OBL Open Volleyball Men League. And I would like to thank my supporters, our supporters Jelay, Haley, and of course our Medical Center Chief, Dr. Gregorio Gantoni, for supporting us.
Ayan, thank you so much po, Coach Lindsay. And ayan, we are now ready to deliver another rally of action and excitement happening here at the Holy Rosary Minor Seminary Covered Court. Kaya sit back, relax, and get ready to witness volleys, spikes, and rallies that will keep you on the edge of your seats only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Kelly and Tin.
Thank you so much, Casey and Coach. Siyempre, Teen from this side of being a health worker and now on the side of being a valuable player naman makikita natin ngayon dito sa side ng BMC Health Defenders.
Talaga naman kahit sa busy schedule nila, talagang binigyan tayo ng time para makapaglaro ngayon dito sa ating Oragon Volleyball League. At kung makikita nga po natin ang ating mga players from Ariba Iriga, naghahanda na para sa ating first set ng laban na ito. Talagang nakaka-excite. Kasi kung titinan mo, halos magkapareho lang para sa kanilang physical feature. Pero at least mamaya makikita natin talaga yung lakas nitong ating mga kupunan na ito. So, let's see if sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng unang panalo ngayong umagang ito. Will it be Ariba Iriga or BMC Health Defenders?
Well, just a little bit background about these teams. Actually, napapanood ko na itong dalawang team na to when it comes to volleyball tournament. And I can say that these two teams are excellent in their own respective positions. And also, on the recently concluded Hataw Pasakaw volleyball tournament, the Ariba Iriga was played there, and they did really well. And as well as the coach of the BMC also said on their recently concluded event na sinala nila, they played really well. At talagang makikita natin na magiging magaan at hindi magiging magaan para sa team, pero magiging maganda yung laro ngayong araw dito sa laban nila. It's the battle between the Ariba Iriga and the BMC Health Defenders.
Kaya naman nakaka-excite kapag nakakapanood ka ng mga bagong mukha. Kasi hindi araw-araw napapanood ng ating mga fans ng OBL yung mga players na to. So now, they have a platform para ipakita yung kanilang galing dito. So let's see if BMC Health Defenders talagang maipapakita nila yung kanilang galing dito. Makukuha nila yung panalo ngayong umaga dito against Iriga Ariba.
That's true, Teen. Kaya naman sa ating mga manonood sa live stream, panatili po tayong tumutok dito lamang sa GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. Dahil marami pa tayong aabangan. First game pa lamang to ng tournament na ito. At kanina nga nagsimula ang ating opening na pinamunuan ng ating mga officials Dito lamang yan sa Rosary Minor Seminary dito sa Naga City.
At syempre bago tayo magsimula, shoutout muna tayo sa lahat ng ating nanonood dito sa ating Facebook Live, kay Ayan Zachary Foliero, kay Lily Beth, kay Paula Lim Shanko, kay Rom Rios, at kay John Patrick Salvadora na yan. Mga supporters ng BMC Health Defenders at ng Ariba Iriga. So now, as we can see, practice na itong ating Ariba Iriga. We're really excited kung ano nga ba yung gagawin nila ngayon dito. Anong tactics yung gagawin ng Ariba Iriga against BMC Health Defenders. And in just a few minutes, mahaba-haba pa po ang ating hihintayin. Pero syempre, mapapanood lang po yan ng live dito sa Oragon Sports TV. Magbabalik po kami.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Ariba Iriga, 𝐼𝐸 Volleyball, BMC Health Defenders, 𝐲𝑒𝑛 Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Camsur Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, Dolcas Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear, Tiger's Cafe, and Lemon Residences. Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League.
Tanga diri ko nababay na GNN TV 48 Naga.
Kalma! Lumipat lang ang GNN TV 48 Naga sa Channel 48.1.
What?
Direk, ang simple lang ng solusyon dyan. Kunin ang remote, pumunta sa menu Setup o Settings, at hanapin at pindutin ang scan at hintayin. Then, boom! Balik na si GNN sa Channel 48 mo. Para sa mga balitang nanguna at napapanahon,
At sa mga programang suwak sa panlasa mo.
tutok lang sa GNN TV 48 Naga,
Bida ang Bicolano!
The future is a race. At Naga College Foundation, we don't just keep up, we set the pace and we change the game. College of Business and Management, where ideas grow into enterprises. College of Teacher Education, shaping minds that shape the nation. College of Health Sciences, where compassion meets innovation. College of Engineering, designing solutions that redefine tomorrow. College of Arts and Sciences, fueling creativity, culture, and connection. College of Accountancy and Finance, empowering the economy through mastering numbers and market. College of Criminal Justice Education, protecting communities with excellence and integrity. College of Computer Studies, coding the language of the future. And with NCF micro-credential programs, you don't just wait for the future, you leap into it. Gain and demand skills fast, short, powerful, and flexible. Designed to fit your life and fuel your career. 8 colleges, endless possibilities, and micro-credentials to keep you ahead of the game. Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Cancer Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and the Bicol region. With advanced diagnostic tools, ophthalmology specialists, and a team that treats you like family, we bring expert eye care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need for long trips. Because your vision matters, and so does your time. Cancer Eye Center, world-class eye care just around the corner.
May problema ka ba sa iyong paningin? May sagot tayo dyan. Naga Optical Clinic with modern apparatus, computerized eye refraction, wide variety of latest fashionable frames, special and custom lenses, contact lenses, at mga sunglasses sa abot kayang halaga. Naga Optical Clinic, complete optical laboratory, eyeglasses made while you wait. Naga Optical Clinic.
Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCD Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Ariba Iriga, 𝐼𝐸 Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, 𝐻𝐤𝐿 Volleyball Club.
And we are back here on Oragon Sports TV for our first game, Ariba Iriga and BMC Health Defenders. At ngayon nga po, kanina nga sinabi natin, there's a lot of new faces, there's a lot of new teams here para sa ating first season of Oragon Volleyball League. But of course, meron din tayong mga nakikilala dito, mga players on the side of BMC Health Defenders and Ariba Iriga. Kaya naman talagang aabangan natin yung magiging laro nila ngayong umagang ito. So let's see kung sino nga ba yung nagtitindig para sa ating first game ngayon. At maraming salamat din po sa lahat na naghintay para sa ating first game ngayong umagang ito. Ngayon po, magsisimula na po ang laban ng PMC and Iriga. And now, first 6 para dito sa part ng Ariba Iriga. And of course, on the side of Health Defenders. Now, a quick shoutout muna dito kay Orwin Abonita, kay Miko Sicalfabol, kay Topex Delostrino, kay Jeffrey Borromeo, at kay Monica Reyes. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood ngayong umaga. Now on the side of PMC Health Defenders, ito na po ang ating mga players. We have Cabrera, Regalado, Proa, jersey number 11, Noas, jersey number 10 here, Chavez, jersey number 15, Bravante, and jersey number 7, Morales. And on the side of Ariba Iriga, we have Gonowon, Malazarte, also a player of CSBC Blue Stallions before, Silva as their libero. Now, first set para sa ating fifth set. 5 set po ang paglalabanan nitong ating dalawang kupunan. Let's see here.
Noas now on the middle. A good point there for the BMC. It's Regalado with that soft touch in the middle.
So unang puntos nga napunta dito sa BMC Health Defenders. Silva, first ball. Soft touch lang muna tayo dito sa mga unang puntos. Now we are tied on 1. And we're only starting, so maya-maya talagang mararamdaman na natin yung mas init na laban ng BMC and Iriga. Now, Ariba Iriga.
Cabrera on the opposite. Proa, that hit, but not a good one now on the back. Now for the Iriga, soft touch now. Proa, hulog. Good save there. Now chance for the BMC. Cabrera to Proa, but an error for Proa there.
Too short for that one. But of course, nakita natin si Proa nung naglalaro pa siya during his time on UNC Greyhounds. Talagang maganda yung pinakita niya dito. So now let's see ano yung may contribute niya dito for BMC Health Defenders to 1 on our scoreboard.
An outside one, and it's a good point. Free point for the BMC Health Defenders.
Now Proa on the service line. 2-all para dito sa ating first set. Now Proa serving.
In the middle, combination play, but a good block by Regalado and Morales.
Now with that height advantage on the side of BMC Health Defenders, talaga namang kargado yung kanilang mga bantay dito.
And no coverage on the side of the Iriga. Now Proa will be serving again. Receive, now setting up, and that quick coming from limb of Ariba Iriga.
Talagang hindi din naman nagpatalo itong side ng Ariba Iriga. Sumagot agad on that point.
Now we are 3-all.
Now Gonowon, the head coach of CSBC Blue Stallions before.
And now part of the Ariba Iriga valuable team, and a service ace coming from Gonowon.
Now bonus point on the side of Ariba Iriga. Still Gonowon on that service line. 3-4 na po sa ating first set.
Noas with that receive. Now Cabrera setting up to Bravante, but another miscalculated. And it's an outside. It's actually a good intention, pero medyo nalihis yung hulog na yon, kaya naman outside point for the Iriga. Good serve. Cabrera to the opposite. Morales. Good pick up there. Now, good dig by Noas. Cabrera setting up to Bravante and a block coming from Lim.
Grabe yung bantay doon sa side ng Ariba Iriga. But also kudos din sa floor defense dito sa side ng BMC Health defenders. Now that's straight 2 points for Ariba Iriga.
The BMC now struggling when it comes to setting. Hindi masyado makagawa ng play. Katulad as I've said, kapag pinapasa na yung bola, medyo lagaw dito yung BMC Greyhound. It's just the start of the event, of the tournament, of the early game. And let's see how they'll be able to cope with this situation on our first set. It's 7-3. It's Ariba Iriga. And the service ace. It's 8-3 now.
Now that's a 4 straight points coming from Ariba Iriga. And dito pa lang sa ating first set, ang dami na agad errors on the side of BMC Health defenders. Napatawag nga sila dyan ng timeout. So kailangan ayusin dito yung gameplay ng BMC Health defenders. Of course, we have Coach Rex para sabihan yung kanyang mga players dito. But on the side of Ariba Iriga, napakaganda ng kanilang simula dito from service aces, good blockings, and of course sa kanilang mga spike talagang magagaling itong sa side ng Ariba Iriga. But let's see, we're only starting our first set here. 3-8 on our scoreboard here. Again, that's Gonoan on the service line. And another service ace coming from Gonoan. Dapat yung timeout na ginawa dito ng BMC Health defenders, dapat makatulong sa kanila to come back on that gameplay. Gonoan once again.
Cabrera with an overreaching violation there for Cabrera. Cabrera is currently struggling when it comes to setting. There's no good receive on the side of the BMC Health defenders. Therefore, hindi masyado makagawa ng play dito yung BMC. As I have said, the reception error of these teams. Kaya naman, it's 11-3 on the scoreboard.
I think that's 7 straight points coming from Ariba Iriga. And still Gonoan on that service line. A good first set for Ariba Iriga.
Ayan. Naputol doon ni Bravante yung sunod-sunod na puntos ng Ariba Iriga dito. And it's 10-4 now. It's 11-4.
Kailangan gamitin nila dito yung pagpuntos nila dito para bawiin yung mga nawalang puntos kanina. Regalado.
Actually, a miss hit there for the Iriga. It's Salopaso on the opposite, but it's a point for them. Now, serving. Pero with the receive. Cabrera setting up to Morales. Morales with a tulog. Good dig there. Now, setting up to the open and the down the line hit coming from jersey number 10. It's Regis. And that's a good point.
Now, Ariba Iriga. Umaariba talaga dito sa ating first set. Now, free ball para dito sa Ariba Iriga. One more time. Running attack, no good. What Malazarte gets it.
Now an early substitution for the BMC. Now Openiano will go inside and Cabrera will go out. Let's see on how they will make a play with a new setter. Again, another struggle, but a good point. Check ball for the BMC Health defenders. It's Bravante.
Now that's a 9-point lead coming from Ariba Iriga. But now BMC Health defenders humahabol dito.
Good receive for the Iriga. Combination play and an effective one for Reyes.
After the score of BMC Health Defenders, nilalaban itong Ariba Iriga. And now, back to 10-point lead ang Ariba Iriga. Now, Piñano.
Regalo, however, that's too much. It's an outside for Iriga. Now, point for the BMC. Now setting up, and we got that quick. Good now, good save by Noas. Nagawa ng paraan dito now, Proa. Opiniano setting up on the back, Bravante. But it's an outside hit for Jopay Bravante. And it's 16-6 now on the scoreboard. Lamang po dito ng 10, yung Iriga City.
9 points away and getting that set. But that score will go on to the side of Ariba Iriga. There's a lot of errors recorded on the side of BMC Health Defenders. They need to lessen that before the first set ends. Now jersey number 10 here. Reyes.
Noas with that receive. 1-2 play by Opiniano, but good save there. Now on the opposite, Bravantes. Opiniano setting up to Proa. Proa, good save. Cover there by Noas again. Now for the Iriga on the back. Good cover. Now setting up. Opiniano now to Morales. With that soft touch. On the back for Reyes, and it's a good point.
After that long rally, Ariba Iriga gets it. But kudos to that floor defense from both sides. Now 6-17 on our scoreboard. Medyo malayo yung kailangang habulin dito ng BMC Health Defenders. But that's a service error coming from the side of Ariba Iriga. Now an opportunity here for BMC Health Defenders para dagdagan yung kanilang puntos dito at habulin yung 16 points ng Ariba Iriga. Once we play.
And a good angle there for Bravante on the back. Gawa ng paraan doon yung set na yon coming from the BMC Health Defenders. And a good point for them. And now jersey number 10, Chavez serving. Silva with the receive. Now Reyes setting up to Gunowon. And good cover. Morales setting up to Bravante on the back. But that goes straight down to the net. And puntos for the Ariba Iriga.
Yun yung kailangan ngayon gawin ng BMC Health Defenders to lessen their error doon.
Yeah, actually.
Dahil ang gaganda sana nung ginagawa nila, but at the same time, hindi lumilipat yung kanilang bola on the other side. Now let's see if Ariba Iriga will close the set number 1. Proa, too short for that one again. Doon sila nagkakaproblema sa kanilang mga atake.
Yes, actually, when it comes to the receive, walang masyadong stable na receive. That's why hindi masyadong naitataas, hindi masyadong nakakagawa ng play dito yung BMC Greyhounds. And kanina ko pa napapansin na medyo nahihirapan the BMC Health Defenders, na kanina ko pa nakikita, napapansin dito na nahihirapan sila when it comes to attack. But right now, let's see and how they were able to cope up. But that's a miscommunication on their side. It's Opiniano and Regalado. Hindi naitaas yung bola dito. Kaya naman, puntos for the Ariba Iriga. It's 21-8.
Now that's 4 points away on getting the set number 1 for the side of Ariba Iriga. Jersey number 18 serving.
Noas with the receive. Opiniano now in the middle. Regalado with that hit. Setting up to the opposite. And that's a good point for Lim of the Ariba Iriga.
And as we can observe, Lim, simula pa nung ating first set, magaganda yung laro niya dito. And now a timeout was called here. Since our score, it's 22-8.
It's Salopaso rather. It's Salopaso on the opposite. At Lim, however, tama ka nga. Maganda. Simula pa lang ng laro, pinapakita ni Lim dito yung magandang laro na kino-contribute niya dito sa kanyang team.
So now, for this timeout, the BMC Health defenders. Kailangan nilang bawiin to. They need to come back stronger. 8-22, that's a big gap against Ariba Iriga. But at the same time, Ariba Iriga giving us a good fight here for the first set. From the service aces. Ang dami nilang na-record ditong service aces. Good offense and defense here on the side. 8-22. Now, 3 points away na lamang Ariba Iriga on getting that first set. Let's see after this time at kung anong gagawin ng BMC Health defenders para mabawasan yung kalamangan dito ng Iriga.
Now Malazarte will be serving. Bravante to receive. Opeñano to Proa. Block again, but could spike there, an outside one. Wala bang masyadong magandang hit dito, yung spike na pinapakita yung BMC Health defenders. Let's see on how they will be able to cope with that. Another error for the BMC. It's 23-9 now. Dalawang puntos na lamang ang kailangan dito tin ng Ariba Iriga to close this set.
So these errors are talagang binibigyan nila ng mga free points itong Ariba Iriga. Now, ball still alive here. Soft touch, pero hindi nagawa ng paraan ng BMC Health defenders. Set point here, 24-9. Only 1 point for Ariba Iriga on getting the first set. Let's see if they can finish it off right now.
Free. Now, Iriga. And that's good spike coming from Gunawan, and that close the first set. Nagbabalik po kami sa ating second set. It's 25-9 and it's for the Iriga City.
Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League 3-set OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Ariba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, BMC Health Defenders, 𝐲𝐿 Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, Dolcas Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear, Tiger's Cafe, and Lemon Residences. Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League 3-set OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Ariba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, BMC Health Defenders, 𝐲𝐿 Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardset Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, 𝐏𝐿𝐿 Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear, Tiger's Cafe, and Lemon Residences.
And we are back again here sa loob po ng Holy Rosary Minor Seminary para sa ating first game, Ariba Iriga versus BMC Health Defenders. Natapos nga po ang ating set number 1 with a score 25-9 in favor of Ariba Iriga. At nakita naman po natin kung paano nakuha ng Ariba Iriga yung kanilang panalo on the first set. Dito sa side ng BMC Health Defenders, sabi nga natin there's a lot of errors on their side. Walang masyadong magandang communication on the side of BMC Health Defenders. Well, on the other side, Ariba Iriga, napakaganda nung naging simula ng kanilang laro dito. That's why naging consistent yung kanilang pinakita dito from first set. So now, talagang pagpasok ng ating second set, unang puntos na punta nga dito sa side ng Ariba Iriga. Of course, with the players like Gonoan and Lim on that side, napakaganda yung kanilang pinapakita dito. But let's see if babangon ulit itong BMC Health Defenders at papakitaan tayo ng magandang laban. But on that note, another point converted on the side of Ariba Iriga. Now let's see. That's 2 straight points coming from Ariba Iriga as we open the second set here. Now, Malazarte.
Na-open niya, no? On the opposite, again, Proa with that block coming from the Ariba Iriga. Kanina pa dito, di masyado nakakapuntos dito si Proa. Hindi nakakabelo dito yung BMC Greyhounds, and let's see and how they will be able to stand on that. Again, point for the Iriga with that service ace.
Now, that's 4th straight points. 4-0 nothing run para dito sa ating Ariba Iriga. And of course, para malaman natin kung ano nga ba yung plano dito ni coach on the side of Ariba Iriga, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Eliza. Hi Eliza, anong palitan natin dyan?
That's it for the first set of Iriga versus BMC. 9-25 in favor of Ariba Iriga. Unang minuto pa lang, Tinan Kelly ang nagpakita na ng galing ang kupunan ng Ariba Iriga. Mukhang umpisa pa lang ay nababasa na nila ang tactics and techniques ng kalaban. And we can see familiar faces here. Tinan Kelly from the side of Iriga, Gonoan, Malazarte, Silva, all from Bukal and Squaa. And as you can see, they are finishing in a good sport. At nagpapakita sila ng parehong galing, parehong gigil at parehong lakas. Tutok lang at alamin natin ano nga bang magiging kapalaran ng Ariba Iriga sa ikalawang set ng labang ito. Balik muna sa inyo, Tin and Kelly.
Thank you so much, Classy, on that update. Siyempre nga, di naging consistent yung Iriga dito with their serve and attacks and of course their defense. That is why nakuha agad nila yung unang set na yun with 25 and 9 points for the BMC Health Defenders. And now it's 5-1, 6-1 rather, puntos dito ng Ariba Iriga.
And nakikita pa rin natin, nagsistruggle pa rin yung BMC Health Defenders with their communication with each other. So kailangan talaga nilang magkaroon ng magandang communication dito, because right after that service coming from Lim, that's an ace. Another point conversion here on the side of Ariba Iriga. 7-1 now BMC Health Defenders. Now an error sa side ng Ariba Iriga. Now, nabigyan ng pagkakataon dito ang BMC Health Defenders to stop the bleeding on our second set. Let's see if they can do something here. Now, free ball. Resort, ibibigay dito kay Gonoan, and Gonoan gets it. Na sinabi nga natin dito, on the side of Ariba Iriga, Gonoan as the head coach of CSPC Blue Stallions. Maganda yung pinapakita niya dito. Napanood natin siya from Squaa to Bukal, and now playing here for our OVL. But right after that, an error para dito sa side ng Ariba Iriga at para naman sa BMC Health Defenders dito. 8-3 na po sa ating score. Ngayon titinan natin kung ano nga ba yung gagawin nila ditong pagbabago. Now let's hear it from Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita natin dyan?
Kelly and Tin, medyo nangangapa pa nga itong ating BMC Health Defenders during that first set of the game. Maraming enforced errors ang lumabas sa kanilang side at medyo nagiging problema rin nga ang ilang spike attempts ng BMC Health Defenders na tumatama sa net. Pero agad naman silang pinaalalahanan ni Coach na ayusin ang kanilang first ball at coverage at mas pag-igihin pa ang teamwork at communication. Dahil kapag nagkaintindihan sila sa bawat rally, mas madali nilang ma-convert into points ang kanilang plays. Yan muna sa ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Kelly and Tin.
Thank you, Casey, on that update. That's true, hindi pa naman tapos yung laban. It's just a second set of this game. And marami pa silang pwedeng maging adjustment para mabawi dito yung set na nakuha ng Ariba Iriga. Now, back on the game. 1-2 play. Now, Proa with that receive. Setting up to Bravante. Good cover. Bravante again, but that straight down to the net. Puntos for the Iriga City. Now, timeout called for the BMC Health Defenders.
Yun, sinabi nga ng ating courtside reporter na si Casey na kailangan lang magkaroon ng magandang communication dito sa side ng BMC Health Defenders because up until now, hindi natin nakikita yung team chemistry on their side. Ang dami pa ring errors na dapat binawasan na nila kasi nakita na natin on that first set, madami yung naging errors nila from service to blockings and even on the floor defense. But right now, on our set number 2, na ngayon, 11-3 na po yung ating score. That's a 8-point lead against Ariba Iriga. Kailangan nilang gumawa ng paraan dito. At itong BMC Health Defenders, headed by Coach Rex, kailangan gumawa ng paraan dito to stop the bleeding at habulan yung puntos na ginagawa ngayon ng Ariba Iriga. So now, after this timeout, let's see. Changes on their side.
That's routine. I think the BMC Greyhounds now needs to change their way of playing right now, especially when it comes to communication. They need to communicate well para maging maayos. Katulad na nakikita natin ngayon, another struggle when it comes to receive. But right now, look at that Iriga. They have a stable receive and getting that play and getting that point with Manawag with that running hit. And it's 12-3. Now setting up to the back now to the opposite. Bravante with that good point for Jopay. Bravante dagdagan dito ng puntos. It's 12-4 for the BMC. Puntos dito for BMC Health Defenders. And now Bravante will be serving. Malazarte setting up to Regis. And another good hit from Regis. And that's a good point. It's 13-4 now, Teen.
And as we can observe, every time na nakakapuntos yung BMC Health Defenders, babawi agad dito yung ating Ariba Iriga. Kaya yun din yung nahihirapan dito yung BMC Health Defenders with that pride of Iriga. But right now, another point conversion on the side of BMC Health Defenders, yun yung kailangan nila, mga ganong gameplay, yung kailangan ipakita nila dito sa ating set number 2 if gusto nilang makuha yung panalo on the set.
That's true, Teen. And let's see and how will be the BMC will get that rhythm on their side. Now, good set, good, but a good point there. Soft touch by Lim. Actually, yung attack na yun medyo ano din siya hindi siya masyadong sigurado doon. However, magandang puntos pa rin ang naipakita dito ni Lim. And it's 14-5.
Now Proa with that strong attack, but Malazarte and Lim was there to deny that. Now 15-5, that's a 10-point lead of Ariba Iriga. They're just 10 points away on getting that second set. A free ball for Iriga. Want to play, but that score will go on to the side of BMC Health defenders. Now let's see if this will continue. Jersey number 8 now. Malasarte. Let's see, 2 points straight coming from BMC Health defenders. 15-7. Now let's see here. Jersey number 8 again. Malazarte on that service line. 16-7. Proa. Free ball bibigay dito ng Health defenders. Malazarte goes to Gunawon. And that's a point. (17-7), still a 10-point lead here. Hindi mo mabawas dito yung kalamangan ng Ariba Iriga. Proa lalabas muna on the side of BMC Health defenders. Mendoza checks in. Malazarte. Service error here. Now Mendoza. Or rather Regalado on that side of BMC Health defenders.
Violation there called to BMC. Season with that net touch. That's a good point. Point again for the Ariba Iriga.
Now, another service ace coming from Ariba Iriga. It's now 19-8 sa ating scoreboard. 6 na puntos na lamang for Ariba Iriga para masarado na itong ating set number 2. They will get 2 straight set here.
Now, free ball. Good placement. Setting up, but not a good one for the BMC Health defenders. Now we are close on 20. It's 28 on the scoreboard. Nahihirapan talaga dito when it comes to receive yung BMC Greyhounds. So, walang masyadong BMC Health defenders, rather, I'm really sorry. Talagang hindi nakakagawa dito ng play yung BMC, kaya naman sunod-sunod yung puntos na binibigay dito ng Iriga City.
Now 21-8. Still BMC Health defenders struggling here to convert a point. On the other side, Ariba Iriga patuloy yung pag-ariba for the second set. Lim straight through the net. There's a lot of straight points here for Ariba Iriga. 22-8, just 3 points away.
As you can see now, Tin, on the side of the BMC, you cannot see the chemistry. Talagang walang masyadong communication. Kaya naman mabilis mapuntusan dito ng Iriga yung BMC. And now with that spike coming from Gunawan, it's 22-8.
It's 23-8.
23-8 rather.
Na naging advantage ng Ariba Iriga yung mga miscommunication on the side of BMC Health defenders. Now another set point for Ariba Iriga, 24-8, only 1 point away for Ariba, and that's it. They finish it off by 25-8. Dalawang set na po ang nakuha ngayon ng Ariba Iriga. We've watched how good the communication on the side of Ariba Iriga. While on the other side, BMC Health defenders, they need to change their tactics now kasi naging advantage yun sa ating Ariba Iriga. Now, 2 sets na po para sa ating Ariba Iriga. Our second set ended with 25-8 and we will be back for our third set. Matatapos na po ba yan with Ariba Iriga winning? Dito lang yan sa 𝐷𝐷𝐴GAN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
𝐷𝐷𝐴GAN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and 𝐷𝐷𝐴GAN Basketball League 3-set OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, 𝐎𝐏𝐶D Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Ariba Iriga, 𝐼𝐒𝐿 Volleyball, BMC Health Defenders, 𝐲𝑰𝐴 Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the 𝐷𝐴GAN volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, 𝐷𝐴GAN Sports TV, 𝐷𝐴GAN Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, Rolcas Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear, Tiger's Cafe, and Lemon Residences.
Afternoon. Now, it's BMC Health Defenders and Ariba Iriga. At kanina nga po nakita natin ang unang dalawang set na kuha ng Ariba Iriga. First set, it ended with 25-9. The second set ended with 25-8 in favor of Ariba Iriga. So now let's see for our third set if magpapatuloy yung ganitong kagandang laro ng Ariba Iriga or BMC Health Defenders will change their techniques here and game plan of Coach Rex to snatch a set here at pahirapan itong Ariba Iriga. But that first point will go onto the side of Ariba Iriga. Now this is a wake-up call for BMC Health Defenders if they really want to extend this game up until the set number 5. Now Proa, soft touch. Oh, still alive here.
No coverage there for the BMC. Good block for the Iriga City.
Now point for BMC Health Defenders. Cabrera now to serve. 2-1 on our scoreboard right now.
The opposite. The chase. But is that free ball? Hindi na ipasa sa kabila. It's a good point for the BMC now. another error for the Ariba Iriga. And let's see if ito na yung time that the BMC will change their rhythm and make it into a 5-set. Another error for the Ariba Iriga. At lamang na dito yung BMC with now 5-2.
Now, this is a good start for BMC Health Defenders. At nabubuhayan muli yung kanilang kupunan. They need this one. Now, let's see if Ariba Iriga papayagan ba yung ganitong pangyayari on their team. Now, let's see. Pero with that error of Morales, nabigyan nila ng puntos dito ang Ariba Iriga. Now for our third set, they need to lessen that. Because Ariba Iriga, kapag pumuntos na dito, sunod-sunod na. Morales once again.
As you can see now, the team Iriga has changed their first 6. That is why kahit ganun nakakapuntos pa rin dito ang Iriga. However, pakinggan naman natin ngayon kung ano nga ba ang gagawing techniques or changes sa side ng BMC Health Defenders with Casey. Casey, ano ang update dyan?
Well, Tin and Kelly, our second set did not look good for the BMC Health Defenders dahil patuloy pa rin silang inuungasan ng Ariba Iriga. Bawat palo ng kalaban ay dumadaan sa butas ng kanilang depensa at hindi rin nagiging consistent ang coverage ng Health Defenders. The team reminded each other to tighten their blocks and improve their floor defense para makabawi sa mga susunod na rallies. At kung narinig nyo nga ay umiingay na muli ang crowd ng BMC Health Defenders, and let's see what will be their fate sa third set natin ngayon. That would be all. Back to you, Kelly and Tin.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, kailangan ng consistency dito sa side ng BMC Health Defenders, and they need to build a stronger floor defense here. Now let's see. Good coverage on the side of the Health Defenders. Remiski on that side of BMC Health Defenders. Still, a communication here on the side of BMC Health Defenders needs to be improved. Now let's see here. Now that's a timeout called on the side of BMC Health Defenders. Kung kanina naging sunod-sunod dito yung naging puntos ng BMC Health Defenders, naging maganda yung kanilang pagsisimula for our set number 3. Now, again, Ariba Iriga getting close on that one sa ating BMC Health Defenders. So now let's see after this timeout anong gagawin ni Coach Rex dito para sa kanyang mga players. Of course, shoutout din sa ating mga nanonood ng live. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay dito. And now, sabi nga natin kanina, yung Ariba Iriga tie the game on 6-all. Now let's hear it from Eliza. Kung ano nga ba yung naging plano dito ng Ariba Iriga. Eliza, go ahead.
Panalo sa ikalawang set ng labang ito. The team is all smiles, fired up and ready to go pa na para bang hindi kinakabahan ang Ariba Iriga ngayon. Kaya nyo yan. Yan ang sigaw ng coaches nila here on their side. Let's see what will happen for the next step. Tuluyan na nga ba nilang makukuha ang panalo? Yan ang ating alamin dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon. Yan muna ang balita dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Kelly.
Thank you, Eliza, for that update. Siyempre, sinelyohan nga, as she said, yung second set. However, hindi pa nga tapos ang laban. And let's see on how they'll be able to end this first game with 3 sets only. If they will be consistent on their game or plays right now. Right now, nakita natin on that game, Bravante with that spike, that strong hit. And it's an outside block for the Iriga City. That's why 7-all. We're tied now.
Now Regalado serving.
Cabrera to Bravante again. Hulog. The one hand for the Ariba Iriga. And hindi doon masyadong na-balance yung one hand na yon. Kaya naman puntos for another service ace for the Iriga.
But compared to our first set and second set, this is the closest fight we had for our BMC Health Defenders and Ariba Iriga. Now that's a strong service. Now Morales. Proa was there, but can't sustain that one. Now another point converted on the side of Ariba Iriga.
And it's 10-8. Now setting up to the opposite. Teg, but did not chase that ball. Another point for the Iriga. Too much on that serve. Puntos dito ngayon ng BMC. Now Morales on the service line. Now Cabrera. No communication there. Now setting up combination play, and that's a long shot outside. Isang puntos na lamang dito ang kalamangan ng Iriga. Setting up in the middle. And a good play there. It's 12-10.
Now Ariba Iriga serving for our third set here.
Cabrera to Bravante, and that hits the line. Good placement there for Jopay Bravante. So one dito, but a good chase there by Bravante. Now 1-2 play, and that's a good one for the Iriga City.
Now worth it yung pagpunta dito ng Iriga sa Naga, because that's a good gameplay from the start. Now let's see kung ano pa bawi dito ng BMC Health Defenders.
Naas with it receive. Cabrera setting up to Proa, and that's a good block for the Iriga City. Another good point. 3 puntos na po dito ang kalamangan ng Ariba Iriga. And let's see if they will close this game with 3 sets only. Now serving from the team Iriga. Naas with the receive. Now Cabrera. 1-2 play. Good save there by Silva. Hulog. Good pickup by Cabrera. Now on the back. Hulog again. And that's a good one for Bravante. Kanina pa dito gumagawa si Bravante on the side of the BMC Health Defenders. And syempre kailangan dito ng katulong ni Bravante to get many points and push it on the next set.
$12-14 on our scoreboard here. 2 puntos ang kalamangan ngayon ng Ariba Iriga. Now running attack. That point will go on to the side of Ariba Iriga.
An outside serve there for the team Iriga.
And that's a good improvement para dito sa ating BMC Health defenders. From single point now to 115 na sa ating puntos. But another point converted on the side of Ariba Iriga. (16-13). Now, Ariba Iriga 9 points away on getting the third set and winning their first game. But let's see kung babawi ba tong BMC Health defenders. Now, Regalado, miscommunication on that one. 2 straight points coming from Ariba Iriga.
Still on the service line. Received there by Noas. Setting up. Good cover there. Hindi nagawa ng paraan yon ng BMC. That's why point. It's 18-13. For the Ariba Iriga.
Now 18-13 on our scoreboard. Strong attack.
Good attack there for the Ariba Iriga on the side of the opposite. 19-13 now. Now again, chance in the middle, combination play, and that hits that line. It's 20-13 now.
Now 20-13. 5 points na lamang para sa Ariba Iriga. Nahulog dito sa side ng Ariba. Now that's a free point para dito sa side ng BMC Health defenders. Now just a quick shoutout sa ating mga nanonood dito kay Jay Abalin, kay Peter Manaog at kay Ponce. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now another point conversion on the side of Ariba Iriga. Now let's see here, but a crucial error para dito sa Iriga. But an opportunity for BMC Health defenders. 14 or 15-21. This is the biggest score of BMC Health defenders for this game. Regalado. Touches the antenna. So a bonus point for BMC Health defenders here. BMC still have a chance here para kunin yung ating set number 3. But then again, Ariba Iriga di papatinag dito. (16-22). Now Miraflor checks in para dito sa ating BMC Health defenders.
Received by Noas. Now Cabrera setting up to the opposite. Now a chance for the Iriga. Good block. And a good 1-2 play. However, that's too much. That is why puntos for the BMC Health defenders. opposite. Overreaching, that hits the line. That hits the fault line of jersey number 1. One-hand save there. Now chance. Silva set up in the middle. Good hit for the Ariba Iriga. Ina-Ariba na dito ng Iriga with that hit. 2 puntos na lamang ang kakailanganin to end this first game.
Ariba Iriga to serve.
And that play coming from the Iriga and sets them into a set point, match point rather. Now serving for the match, Cabrera, regalo, and that ends the game for Iriga and BMC. It's 25-18 for the third set. Now, as you can see on the highlights,
Strong attack.
good attack. Nakitaan dito on the third set
Nahulog
ng
dito sa
malakas
side
na
ng
palo yung BMC. Actually, Tin, medyo naka-adjust naman dito yung BMC with that place. Sadyang marami lang talagang error. The game for Iriga and BMC. Kaya naman puntos. Tinapos dito agad-agad ng Ariba Iriga ang laro.
At mamaya po makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game. 25-18 in favor of our Ariba Iriga, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League Preset OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, 𝐏𝐶B Volleyball 𝐎𝐿, UNC Greyhounds, Ariba Iriga, 𝐼𝐠 Volleyball, BMC Health Defenders, 𝐲𝐏 Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, 80 Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, Dolcas Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear, Tiger's Cafe, and Lemon Residences.
Tangata diri ko nababay na GNN TV 48 Naga.
Kalma! Lumipat lang ang GNN TV 48 Naga sa Channel 48.1.
What?
Direk, ang simple lang ng solusyon dyan. Kunin ang remote, pumunta sa menung Setup o Settings, at hanapin at pindutin ang scan at hintayin. Then, boom! Balik na si GNN sa Channel 48 mo. Para sa mga balitang nanguna at napapanahon,
At sa mga programang swak sa panlasa mo.
tutok lang sa GNN TV 48 Naga,
Bida ang Bicolano!
The future is a race. At Naga College Foundation, we don't just keep up, we set the pace and we change the game. College of Business and Management, where ideas grow into enterprises. College of Teacher Education, shaping minds that shape the nation. College of Health Sciences, where compassion meets innovation. College of Engineering, designing solutions that redefine tomorrow. College of Arts and Sciences, fueling creativity, culture, and connection. College of Accountancy and Finance, empowering the economy through mastering numbers and market. College of Criminal Justice Education, protecting communities with excellence and integrity. College of Computer Studies, coding the language of the future. And with NCF micro-credential programs, you don't just wait for the future, you leap into it. Gain and demand skills fast, short, powerful, and flexible. Designed to fit your life and fuel your career. 8 colleges, endless possibilities, and micro-credentials to keep you ahead of the game. Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Cancer Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Ariba Iriga, 𝐼𝐸 Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, 𝐲𝐬𝐵𝐻𝐻 Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, 80 Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Oragon Sports.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Mga kaibigan, kasama na natin ngayon the best player of the game all the way from Iriga City, Ariba Iriga, jersey number 4 na nakakuha ng 5 service aces, 1 block, 8 attacks, and 14 points. No other than Mr. Christian. Ganon. Hi, Christian, how are you? Kumusta po?
Masaya po. Masaya pong nanalo kami sa first game namin.
Christian Ganoon, gusto po naming malaman, ano po ba ang sikreto nyo? Pwede nyo po bang ikwento sa amin anong sikreto nyo ngayong araw?
Siguro yung sikreto namin is yung coordination namin sa loob ng court para makuha namin yung panalo namin and mapadali yung gawa namin.
Ayan, jersey number 4, isang tanong, isang sagot. Handa na po ba kayo sa susunod yung laban?
Handang-handa na po.
Ngayong handang-handa na kayo, you got the chance to shout out. Pasalamatan nyo naman lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa inyo, lahat ng fans, volleyball fans ng Ariba Iriga. Please, go ahead.
Unang-una po sa lahat, maraming salamat sa LGU Iriga, kay Mayor and sa councilors ng Iriga. Maraming salamat po sa suporta, unending support po. And sa mama ko, sa ate ko, kay Carla, Gail. Salamat sa pagsuporta sa inyo. Yan lang po.
Thank you so much mga kaibigan. Once again, jersey number 4, Christian Ganoon. Yan muna ang balita dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Kelly.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that's our best player of the game from Ariba Iriga, jersey number 4, Christian Ganoon. Isang magandang laban po ang kanilang pinakita ngayong araw na to. At sabi nga ni Christian, handang-handa na sila sa kanilang susunod na laban. And up next, it will be Magarao versus Sorsogon. Ano kayang laban ang ating matutunghayan? Ako po ulit, si Cristina Alcanzo Reyes.
And ako po si Kelly Francisco at ito po ang pinakaunang tournament. Ito po ang Oragon Volleyball League Men's Open Tournament Season 1. Dito lamang yan sa GNN TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League Preset OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Ariba Iriga, 𝐼𝐸 Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, 𝐲𝐿 Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, Rolcas Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear, Tigers Cafe and Lemon Residences.